Hi ladies and gents, crypto traders, my name is Jan of Crypto Academy, and today we would like to put a Bitcoin Cash as the altcoin of the day, and maybe it's also the crypto trade of the week, because within a few days, actually on Sunday, that will be on November 15 at 12 hours PM UTC, there will be a hard fork, and that means that after 1 day and 16 hours there will be a hard fork of Bitcoin Cash, and there will be probably the hard fork and with two chains, Bitcoin Cash network on Bitcoin Cash, BCHN and BCH ABC. And if I take a look at the chart, there we have the Bitcoin Cash actually on TradingView. We can see Bitcoin Cash is range bounding between 275 to the upside and also to the downside 256, more or less at 20 points. I think there will be a positive stimulus coming up also after that, so I'm going for some free coins, if any. I bought some on Binance, and also I had some on Coinflex. I bought 0.5 for the trading portfolio as well. And people who would also achieve this, they can take a look at our website of cryptoacademy.nl, and here it is for about $126. I bought some Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash, actually, it's the 5th largest cryptocurrency in the world. And take a look. BCH has a market cap of around $4.8 billion, and the price now around $258, and a little bit under pressure, but nevertheless I'm quite positive. The trading navigator also signals a buy, and it's around $258, so that's quite good, I think. And to the upside, okay, maybe you can say there is only 18 points to the upside, and also 18 points to the downside. But nevertheless, take a look on the 240 minutes, a little bit shorter term, also range bounding, of course, but there is a kind of triangle with lows being higher or even at the same level. The peaks, the tops are lower. That means that likelihood of a breakout to the upside is imminent, and I would like to go for a rally towards $300. So that means from here, maybe 50, there's 20% upside potential. Maybe there's some more on the table. We can hit the high of, it would be great, of course, in February 2020 this year. But as you can see, that's a very big underperformance regarding in perspective with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is moving higher, better. And take a look at the chart of Bitcoin Cash. There is much more on the way. So I would like to suggest you, if you buy some Bitcoin Cash, be sure that the Bitcoin Cash is being supported. The fork, if scheduled on Monday, no, not Monday, Sunday, November 15, 12 PM. So that is in the afternoon. Anyway, I wish you a very pleasant evening, and I wish you a very pleasant evening. Hasta la vista. If you would like to go to cryptoacademy.nl for more insights, information, also, you can join us free for 1 month via the subscriptions, and there you can take and get the trades as well. For now, I wish you very good luck. Hasta la vista. Bye.